Hi friends, thank you for taking Torn Up Teacups. I'm so excited to share this process with you. I actually developed it last year as a way to help me reduce my collage fodder. As much as I love a little stash of collage fodder, I figured, for those rolling trays was probably a little overkill. So I wanted a project that I liked, inspired me, and allowed me to use up some of the leftovers that I had, and allowed me to also think beyond that. So it's a wonderful way to use up art, but I definitely hope that you'll take it, make it your own, and create some fodder that is key to making your own personalized look for your teacup, because it is kind of fun too, to not just work with random art, but to also work with some art that you want to include in a teacup. So I'm going to show you a quick example of that, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what you can expect. This lovely teacup here is an example of art I had already created, wasn't going to sell, didn't really want to gift, and wanted to use craft-wise. So as you can see, I've done some fun spirograph, and then I tore the teacup, which is going to be shown in the following videos for you how to do. But this is one that was made from sort of leftover art. Now this teacup, this one was done with a little more forethought. I love the idea of bone china and that white background and tissue paper, but the unfortunate thing with tissue paper and rice paper is that it almost becomes invisible when you use matte medium or anything on top of it that's kind of a liquid, even paint. So one of the things we're going to do is create our own collage fodder using the rice paper or tissue paper, but we're going to put some paint on top of it. In this case, I chose ink stamp, and I did some red acrylic ink and just played around with my rice paper, in the end creating a teacup and a rosy kind of teacup that I wanted to do. So that is something that you can definitely do. I'm going to give you the basics for the classwork, and you can take it in so many directions. So that is the basics. You have a full year's access to the class. It will exist on my website. The videos are unlisted on YouTube, so you do need the link to access them, which is included in your PDF that you would have received when you downloaded it as your digital download purchase. So I am so excited for you to try this. As always, if you have any questions, you can email me, maya.larson@yahoo.ca. You can DM me on Instagram or on Facebook if you happen to be on there with me. Either way, I'm always happy to offer you tips and some suggestions if you need a little bit of help to get you going. Have fun, friends. Don't forget to use the hashtag #TornUpTeacups. It'll be right here for you to use. Thanks again, friends. See you soon.